Want to ensure your electronic claims are processed as quickly as possible? Follow these tips to make sure your claims are taken care of without delay. At Delta Dental of Illinois, our goal is to process claims as quickly and accurately as possible. To help, we're sharing a few reminders that will ensure your Illinois dental office's claims are submitted properly, efficiently processed, and paid in a timely manner. Double-check the information you provide is accurate to ensure hassle-free claims processing for your office. If any of the following information is incorrect, your claim will be rejected. When setting up the patient in your practice management system, you will need to enter the patient's name, member ID, and date of birth. The primary member's name must be listed as it is on their ID card. For example, if William is the name listed on the ID card, Bill cannot be listed as the primary member's name. Depending on your practice management system, the patient name may be entered by first name and last name in different spaces, first and last name combined, or another format. Next, enter your office's billing address and treating address using the USPS address format. For example, a suite number cannot come before your office's street address. Another example, if your address on file is 1E North Street with the 1 as a numeral, then spelling out the word 1 on the claim form will cause it to be rejected. More information about address format can be found on USPS.com. Another tip for completing accurate claims: the treating dentist's first and last name should match the name that was issued on their state's dental license. Nicknames, initials, and abbreviations are not accepted. For example, if the name on the license is Robert Jones, you cannot enter Rob Jones. Your office's dental license number should match the state's provider license registry. However, we cannot accept any spaces, leading zeros, periods, or dashes when you input the license number. If you are a specialist and have been issued an additional license number, use the same license number you have provided to Delta Dental at the time of registration. Submitting a license number that does not match what we have on record will likely result in a claim rejection. Next, you will need to enter your office's tax identification number, TIN. This must match what is registered with the IRS. You'll need the dentist's 10-digit Type 1 NPI number. The Type 1 NPI number information must match the treating dentist's NPPES registry and the name on their dental license. If you include your office's Type 2 NPI number, it must match the billing, primary practice address, and mailing address found on your office's NPPES registry. Inputting the NPI Type 2 is not mandatory. Do not add the NPI Type 1 in the NPI Type 2 box. If you need to verify or register for a Type 1 or Type 2 NPI number, visit npiregistry.cms.hhs.gov. And finally, make sure you're using the following payer IDs with your electronic claims submissions. For group members, use 05030. For individual members, use WDENC. For Delta Care IL General Dentist Encounter claims, use DCILD. And for Delta Care Specialty claims, use 05030. Whether your office submits electronic claims directly or partners with a clearinghouse, following these tips will reduce claim rejections, saving time and money. If you need further assistance, contact Delta Dental of Illinois Professional Relations at 630-718-4990 or email pr@deltadentalil.com. Delta Dental of Illinois is here to help make the claims process as efficient as possible.